Hello everyone, we are going to see about pages and routing in Next.js. Creating a pages in Next.js. In Next.js, each file inside the pages directly corresponding to a route in the application. For example, pages slash index.js representing homepage route slash pages slash about.js representing the about page route slash about and so on. You can create a pages using JavaScript or TypeScript. Now I will show you how to create a pages inside an Next.js. In this project, if we want to create a folder, we want to use mkdir pages, and inside page we want to give index.js. First I want to import React from React. Const home page equal to, I am using arrow function, and we want to use return div hello all, welcome to Next.js. This was h1. P Next.js series by Flikt technology. If I run this, before that I want to export default home page. Now I want to run npm run dev. See, we are getting hello all, welcome to Next.js series by Flikt technology. Like this we can create pages inside the. Next we are going to see about configuring dynamic routes. Next.js allows you to create a dynamic routes by using brackets, square bracket inside in the file name of the page inside the pages directory. For example, inside the pages, if we want to create a dynamic route, for that post in the pages, I am going to create another folder called posts, and inside post I am going to create a dynamic route file slug.jl. For this for the routing I am going to create, I am going to use import use use router from next slash router const post page equal to const router equal to use router, and then I'm going to use const slug equal to router dot query, and I'm going to return div. Inside I'm going to create a h1 tag of post and slug, and in the p tag this is the page for post, and now I am going to export default post page. If I save this, now I want to start the npm run dev. For call the post slash post slash, if I give hello world, see the post is hello world, this is the page for post hello world, the sludge is hello world. For const sludge equal to router dot query, this is the router and hello world is the query which we are saving in sludge, and where the post sludge is hello world, and this is the page for post hello world. Like this the dynamic routes will work. Next we are going to see about navigating between pages using Next.js router. The Next.js provides a built-in link component for client-side navigation between pages. It is similar to a tag but optimized for Next.js application. You can import the link component from next/link and use it to wrap around any element that triggers navigation. Now I am going to show you the example using the link component to navigation between home page and about page. In the home page I am going to use a link, and inside I am going to give about page, and in the link we want to use href to navigate between files. Here I am going to give slash about. Now in the pages I am going to create a file called about.js. Here I am create about. I am going to import link from next slash link. H1 about us. Import link from next slash link about us MP. This is the about page of our Next.js application, and here I am going to give another link. Here, go back to home page. For this I am going to give a href for navigating. To go to home page, just we want to give slash, and if I save this, here also I want to import link from next slash link. If I save this, see, we are getting hello all, welcome to Next.js series by Flikt technology, and this is the link we are getting above page. If I click on above page, see, we are going to about us page. See, here also the route has changed slash about, and this is the about page of our Next.js. If you want to go back to home page, if I click this, see, the route also changed, and again we came to home page. Like this, we are using navigation between pages using Next.js router. This example demonstrates how to create pages, configure dynamic routes, and navigation between pages using Next.js router. Thank you.